Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to remove someone from your friend list in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. From your profile, tap on My Friends. Go to the person's profile whom you want to delete from your friend list. From this person's profile, tap on this icon beside three dot. A menu will pop up from the bottom where you can find the option Remove Friend. Tap on this. A confirmation message will pop up. If you tap on Remove, then this person will be removed from your friend list. So in this way you can remove someone from your friend list in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.